Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. And you can also follow me on Instagram for additional readings. The link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what's the Cancerians. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Sorry, a message from the universe. So what I feel here is that you're basically working hard and building yourself up. You're very focused on something, working very hard to build up maybe your finances, your materialistic things, or whatever it is. It is something which is stability. Basically, it is stability. Now, whatever it means for you, okay, it can be a stable relationship also, whatever it is. But definitely, you have a project at hand, or you have a relationship at hand, which you think is a stable. It's going to give you stability. It can be that also. But whatever it is, your eyes are focused on something. You are working hard on it and building it step by step and balancing the situations. Okay, so basically what I see here is that you are working hard, investing totally on something which is very important for you, and very you are very dedicated to this, whatever this is for you, and you are really working hard day and night, sort of. Okay, whatever this project or is for you, whatever this person is for you, whatever this achievement is for you, and here you are with the star card. Your wishes are fulfilled, your hard work is rewarded. Definitely you are being rewarded over here. And with the Nine of Pentacles, what I see here is that you are after your wishes are fulfilled, I think you are taking a break after this hard work and spending that time and enjoying that abundance which you have built for yourself, basically. Okay, so whatever hard work you've done and whatever abundance you've created for yourself, your wishes are fulfilled, and you are here celebrating that quality time with yourself, celebrating your abundances, celebrating your successes, and whatever you have built up. Okay, so this is you who's taking that break, or a rejuvenation, or a sort of break from hard work, of a vacation actually. Whatever it is, you are definitely spending time on your own, basically. Okay, enjoying yourself and enjoying whatever you have built up, basically. That's what I'm getting again and again. And here with the Knight of Swords, and I immediately here, since this is an achievement which you have done, and after spending that vacation or taking that vacation or taking that time off, here again I see you have something else on your mind towards which you are rushing very, very passionately. And here, this is something which is, you are not able to hold back from whatever this new thing is on your mind, or this new person is on your mind. Whatever this is new which is coming in, you are rushing towards it. Maybe this is the next thing which you see after taking this break, that you want to rush in towards this next project or this next thing, whatever it is for you. Okay, so with the Knight of Swords, you're rushing in towards something, and with the Page of Wands again, same thing is there. So you are very, very, you want to achieve this. Basically, here what I see is, what I am getting here is that after having that vacation time or that break, you needed after this hard work, you are running fast or galloping fast to achieve something before anyone else takes it. It's something like that. Okay, because you feel as if you don't reach in time. That's what I'm getting. It's some scarcity of the time you feel, or whatever. If you don't reach there, somebody else will take it, type of a thing. And once you are able to take it or achieve it, here you are, cool, calm, complacent, ready to move towards this, whatever this new project maybe you've grabbed, or you've got it, or you've achieved, whatever it is. It is something, once you get it, now you are standing here to move again in that new direction or to work on it. So this is the fresh energy. Once you are able to acquire what you wanted, now you are able to move towards something new. Okay, so this is the, I feel there is some reason that you are running after it, because maybe you came to know about it a little late, maybe you are scared that somebody else may take it, and there is no time for you to waste. Okay, so that is there, which is coming in over here. Okay, and once you achieve it, okay, now you've got it, now you have to work on it and move in a stable direction again, work hard on it. So that is the fresh energy of the fresh thing in this, whatever this is for you. And with the World and the Hangman, what I feel here is that things are again moving forward for you. Things are changing. This is, yeah, definitely an ending of a chapter and a beginning of something new. So maybe whatever it was you have achieved, you have taken a break. Now this is something different. Maybe it can be a different project totally, which is not even related to the previous one, what you were doing. It can be a change of job. It can be a change of job. It can be something different. It can be some other passionate thing, which maybe you're now trying to follow your passions. It can be something related or unrelated, whatever it is. I'm not very sure about that, but definitely there is some sort of an ending and a new beginning over here. Okay, and what I see here is that with the Hangman, things are changing, but not that fast, perhaps. Or perhaps you are taking that time to think as to how to move forward towards this, because now you have it with you. You have already grabbed it. The only thing is how to execute it. And I think it's a major change which is happening in your life, and you are giving that time to yourself to think as to how to execute it, how to move things forward. That's what I feel. Okay, so you're taking that time alone, because basically here also what I felt was slowly and steadily you are building it up. So maybe that is your nature. So once you've achieved this, whatever this opportunity is for you, now you are taking that time as to think wisely about it and trying to think in each and every possible manner. So whatever this change, this is a major change. This is something which is ending and new beginning is happening. So you're taking that time to see the things clearly and wisely, giving that time to take the right decisions. And here with the Four of Spades also we have the Death card. So definitely something is ending and something is beginning with the Death and the World. So it can be Definitely something is ending and something is beginning, and this beginning is a beautiful one. And whatever is ending, I don't see anything bad over here actually in the situation, even though the death card is here. So it can be a end of a project, it can be end of as I see, it can be a change of a job, it can be moving towards some other place, it can be anything. So that end can be that end also, because I see some change. So ending and a change towards a new beginning, which I don't see anything bad over here with the death. Whatever is ending is related to this scenario only. Six of action. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, or other recognitions for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent and say yes. So what did I say? It is a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful journey. You are I should say rather, getting success one after the other, and your project has been a total success. You're enjoying, and another one is on your hand. Number 26 or number 8 may be of some significance for your new love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work prospects, or for spiritual growth. So again, there is definitely something new which is coming, and it can be a person, it can be a project, it can be a job, whatever it is. Definitely there is some ending, but this ending is not anything which is bad, but definitely there is some changes are definitely going on over here. It can be at the same place also. Okay, you're finishing one project, moving on to the next, which are totally unrelated to each other. Okay, so that can be the end of one thing and beginning of something new. Okay, so Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.